Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BlockDAG network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, BlockDAG network BDAG is a layer 1 blockchain that combines proof of work security with a direct acyclic graph DAG architecture, aiming to deliver high scalability for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Hybrid scalability solution. It uses a DAG structure to process blocks in parallel, targeting over 2000 transactions per second to solve blockchain congestion. EVM compatible ecosystem. The network is fully compatible with Ethereum, allowing developers to port DApp, Easy and Bolt DeFi, gaming and NFT project. Accessible mining model. It supports decentralized participation through both mobile apps and ASIC miners, aiming to broaden users onboarding. BlockDAG network project audited by Ceritic. BlockDAG network token total supply is 102.32 billion and circulating supplies around 63.27 billion BDAG token. BDAG token is listed on Bitmart, lbankxt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.